Hi everyone, this is a repurposed book I've just completed using my own digital kit. It's the first complete journal kit I've designed, and I created the pages using my garden as inspiration. When I started making the journal, I was searching for some unique papers. I couldn't find anything that reflected the look I wanted, so that prompted me to make my own. In the book I've also added some tea-dyed and printed paper, magazine pages, little drawings and music paper to give it an eclectic feel. I've included details about the DigiKit in the description box, and it's selling in my Etsy shop if you want to check it out. I found by using my kit as a basis it made the journal making process much easier to organise, because I tend to overthink what should go into the book, and I can print it out as many times as I want. So here's a flip through of the gardener's notebook and some of the photos I took from my own garden as a basis for the designs. I've added music to the montage to give you something to listen to while you're watching, but turn it down or off if it bothers you. I hope you enjoy it.
for you.